Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Discord server account and follow my step-by-step process. And it is a very easy way, easy process to how you can delete your Discord server account. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Discord server application. So remember that you have to download the latest version of this Discord server application. So now all you have to do is select those three straight lines on top of your left. Just click here, and now you can see your profile icon on bottom right. Just click that option, and here you can see the option account. Just click the option account. Go to the bottom of the page and you can see the option delete account. Just click that option. Now here it says, in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. That means you must delete that server or transfer the ownership of the server if that server is important. So I have to go to my server. First click those three dot line of that server and go to settings and click overview here, and here you on the bottom you can see the option delete server. I'm just going to delete my server because this is there is no one in my server, but you can also transfer the ownership of the server to your friends. Just I'm only deleting my server. Just delete the server and click yes. And now go to your profile and go to accounts again and just click delete accounts option.